Everything that has life has a resonance. And when that life starts, the resonance that it's born with has the greatest potential for the expression of that life form. Now, with trees, they don't stand there thinking, oh God, how many years have I got to stand here before I'm a big tree? Because if they did, that would upset their resonance. But humans tend to change the resonance. And so we change the resonance by thinking. Now, if our thoughts were centered around what a beautiful day it is, what a wonderful person I am, and we focused on the beauty of the day, and if we stayed conscious in our immediate moment, aware of our immediate environment, then the resonance grows. Because human beings are the creative evolution of consciousness.